lady on the back in the wheelchair.
Okay.
She's crying. She's complaining of pain.
All right. So do you have any idea where you are, though?
Here, hold on. Let me tell you. I'm legally blind.
This 911 recording shows the confusion and frustration among passengers on an MTS paratransit bus back in March. A blind passenger says he and others on board are hurt and tries to get help.
Are you in the Mesa?
Actually, driver. She's not answering. She's...
Okay, well, I need to find out where you guys are. So hand the phone to her and tell her that this is 911.
Yes. Driver! Driver!
The shuttle bus for people with disabilities is stopped in the 7400 block of Parkway Drive in La Mesa, but none of the passengers seem to know that, and for several minutes, the driver won't say anything.
We're all telling her, tell us where we're at, and she won't tell us.
Okay, so do you see anything on the street that you can identify where you are?
Well, me and my fiance are legally blind.
The caller, Robert Garcia, says the driver seemed new and stressed. He says she was driving fast and erratically, and the trouble really started when she hit a speed bump on Parkway Drive. According to a passenger, the driver refused calls to slow down, hit a second speed bump, sending people in the back flying into the air. 4 passengers were eventually taken to the hospital with complaints of back pain. Garcia has filed a formal claim, the first step in a lawsuit. We played the 911 call for attorney Brian Watkins.
Clearly, we've had cases where passengers are hurt on an MTA bus, but it usually involves a third-party driver. This is a very unique situation.
And because it involves passengers with disabilities, Watkins says the stakes in a lawsuit are potentially higher.
One, she knew that she was transporting special needs individuals, which closes an increased duty right then and there. In addition, she also was transporting elderly people, and the law allows for additional penalties when damage is caused to elderly individuals.
MTS procedures have come under scrutiny before. San Diego 6 ran a series of reports about a man who died on a bus in El Cajon last year, even though employees were aware he was having a medical emergency. Derek Stahl, San Diego 6 News.
MTS declared